Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am preparing something little different from my usual Mangalorean recipes. This one is my family favorite, especially my son's, Prawn Lamba. For this preparation I am using prawns, egg and just few spices that are always available in our kitchen. This dish is so simple to prepare but it tastes absolutely amazing. This dish is a great starter for our parties and get-togethers. So let's not waste time and quickly look into the ingredients and let's get started. Doesn't it look gorgeous? The prawns are coated beautifully with the masala and topped with those fluffy eggs. You can try this recipe with chicken. To achieve this perfect taste, watch my video till the end. Also subscribe to my channel for all the updates. I'm sure this dish is going to be your family favorite too, so don't miss out on any process. Try this recipe and share your feedbacks in comment. I will be glad to hear from you. I have kept all the ingredients ready. This recipe needs just a few spices from your kitchen, some fresh prawns cleaned and deveined, a couple of eggs for garnish, and some fresh curry leaves and garlic cloves. Let's grind the masala for marination. I have taken 12 Byadagi chillies, 3 local chillies. If you like it spicy, you can add few more. Next goes 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half tablespoon of pepper and small ball tamarind and grind everything to a smooth paste. Mix the ground paste to the cleaned and deveined prawns. Add some salt to taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give a good mix and let it sit aside for 30 minutes. In case you have no time, you can do it immediately. For better marination, let the prawns marinate in the refrigerator. Next, let's fry the prawns. Heat about 5 tablespoons of oil or ghee, or you can even mix both. Add 2 pods of crushed garlic cloves and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Once the garlic turns brown and fragrant, add the marinated prawns and fry. There is no need to add additional water, but if you have some water that is got after cleaning the mixie jar, you can add it. Just make sure it's very little. Close the lid and cook for about 10 minutes. Covering the prawns while cooking helps it to release the moisture and better cooking and taste. Next, open the lid and let the prawns dry out, absorbing all the masala, and then just keep it aside. Hope you are enjoying this video, and aren't you feeling this recipe is so simple? Just look here, the prawns are well coated with the masala. Now just keep it aside. Next, let's prepare the eggs. Take another clean and dry pan. Separate the eggs and the yolks and first scramble the egg whites. This dish is not just delicious, but the presentation also looks so amazing. I have shown this in the beginning of the video, and that is the reason why we are doing the scrambling of the eggs separately, the whites and the yolks. Now let's scramble the yolks. After you finish scrambling the yolks, add it to the prawn mixture and mix it, but retain the egg whites. Have you tried the eggs and prawn combo? If yes, just write to me in comments the name of that particular dish. Now watch the plating closely so that you can impress your guest on your next party. This dish is served in a special way. Take a clean plate and spread the cooked prawns which is mixed with the egg yolks. This dish is a good starter for your parties and get-togethers. Just see the color of the prawns and how well the masala is coated, and those crispy curry leaves just taste awesome. Next, let's top this dish with the egg whites. Be gentle while you spread the egg whites on this layer. See that doesn't get mixed up with the prawns and change its color. Once I'm done with this layer, I have kept ready some fresh pepper powder, and I'm going to sprinkle a dash of pepper powder on this egg whites. This dish hardly takes any time for preparation, so if you have guests coming in, just marinate the prawns on the previous day so that it is easy to prepare on the next day. Give a final touch to this dish by adding finely chopped curry leaves. Prawn lamba is ready to serve. You can serve this dish with puris, chapatis, or even you can serve it with pulao as a side dish. It's time to try the prawn lamba in your kitchen and surprise your family and friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I will be waiting to hear from you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you happy cooking.